Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 9 of English class 5th, The Star. About the lesson, the child is in the poem is keen to know why the little stars are that twinkling in the sky at night. The child see the little star after the sun set every night and wonder what will happen if the star do not shine in the sky. How the traveler in the dark will be able to know where to go without the torch of the star. This was about the lesson. Now we are coming to the first stanza. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Now a boy is sitting and he is just wondering looking in the sky, and he is saying, addressing to a particular star, a child says that it shines high in the sky and appears if as a diamond that is flickering in the sky, shining in the sky, but does not know what it is. Okay, now coming to the stanza 2. When the blazing sun is gone, when nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle all the night. Now here the child is saying that when the hot sun is gone, disappeared, everything becomes dark. Then the little star appears in the sky and it shines in the whole night. Stanza 3. Then the traveler in the dark, thank you for your tiny spark. How could he see where to go if you did not twinkle so? Now here the child is saying that if the little star did not shine in the sky at night, it would be so difficult for traveler to see which way he has to go. Stanza 4. In the dark blue sky you keep, often through my curtains peep. For you never shut your eye till the sun is in the sky. Here the child is saying that little star keeps shining in the sky the whole night. Its dim light enters his room. Now, through the curtains of his room window, it continues to shine by the time the sun rises. Now, what the child is saying, whole night the star keeps shining, and when the dim light it enters his room through the curtains which are in his room, and till what time it continues to shine? Till the morning when the sun rises. Stanza 5. As your bright and tiny spark lights the traveler in the dark, though I know not what you are, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Here the child says that it is true that the little star makes the traveler dark, many visible, but he does not know what the little star is and where it appears during the day. Disappears during the daytime. The child is saying that little star makes the traveler a way path where he has to go, place visible, but he doesn't know that when the sun rises, where that star disappears. Okay, children. Now we are going to write the answers of Let's Answer. First one. What does the little child want to know? The little child wants to know what is flickering in the sky. You have to write in your textbooks, children. Second one. How does the little star look? The little star looks like diamond. When does the star appears in the sky? The star appears in the night when the sun disappears. How long does the star twinkle? Star twinkle whole night. Who thanks the little star? The traveler thanks the little star. What does the traveler thank the star? The star shines at night and it will be easy to travel to see the way. Next one. Where does the star twinkle? The star twinkle in the sky. When does the star disappear? The star disappears when the sun appears. How does the star help the traveler? The light of star may help to traveler. Next, does the child know what the stars is? No, the child does not know. Now children, true and false. The moon looks like diamond in the sky. It is false. The stars show its little light after the sunset. It is true. The star shines brighter than the sun. It is false. Now children, these are the answer the following questions you have to do in your copy. Question number 1. Who is the boy speaking to? The boy is speaking to the twinkling little star. What does the traveler thanks the star? The traveler thanks the stars for his tiny spark. Now he can see where to go. What happens when the sun goes away? When the sun goes away, the little star starts twinkling. How does the boy know that the star is peeping through his curtain? The boy knows it in the dark blue sky when he can see the twinkling of the star through curtains. What is the color of the sky at night? The color of the sky at night is blue, dark blue. What happens when the sun comes back in the sky? When the sun comes back in the sky, the star shut his eyes. Now, these are the activities. You have to do it yourself. Okay, you have to read in your textbooks only. Now, only the answer the following questions you are going to do in your notebook. Rest everything will be in the textbook only. Okay children, so complete your work in your notebooks. Thank you.